The hyperscale data center market is set to surge from $4 billion to $10 billion by 2027, growing at 18% annually. As this growth accelerates, so does the pressure to maintain smooth operations. Downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's a serious threat to business continuity, often caused by inefficient network infrastructure and cumbersome installations that spike operational costs. Scalability is another hurdle. As the demand for next-generation applications grows, data centers must accommodate hundreds, even thousands of fibers, making cable management a daunting task. But with HFCL's advanced data center interconnect solutions, these challenges become manageable. Our scalable, reliable, and high-quality data center interconnect solutions are designed to facilitate rapid and effective networking across dispersed facilities, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Introducing HFCL's state-of-the-art optical fiber cables and passive connectivity solutions designed to transform data center infrastructure and drive business success. Our range of optical fiber cables includes the 1728F IBR Armored Cable, 864F Central Core Outdoor IBR Cable, 864F IBR Microduct Cable, and 288F IBR Cable, with fiber counts ranging from 144F to an impressive 3,456F. Our cables deliver unmatched capacity and future-proof scalability. Designed for efficiency, our cables fit into smaller 20-25mm ducts, ensuring space optimization in even the most congested data centers. Experienced deployment speeds up to 73% faster, minimizing installation time and maximizing operational uptime. Enhanced cable jetting performance guarantees quick and seamless installations, reducing disruptions and accelerating project timelines. Including the IEC 60794 series and Telcordia GR-20, our products comply with industry standards, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. Boost your data center's performance with HFCL's comprehensive passive connectivity solutions. Our advanced scalable fiber connectivity portfolio, featuring MPO assemblies, fan-out assemblies, cassettes, and panels, delivers resilient, high-density, and long-lasting network connectivity. Our next-gen copper cabling portfolio, including Ethernet cables, patch cords, jacks, faceplates, and patch panels, meets high-bandwidth demands for switch-to-server interconnections in data centers. Optimize your data center operations with our cost-effective data center interconnect technologies, reduce overheads, and accelerate deployment times. With a global inventory, we guarantee prompt execution and faster fulfillment, so you can focus on what truly matters. Driving your business forward. HFCL, empowering your network every step of the way.